Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine, and today I'll be teaching you how I clean out and reuse my old candles. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is warm up some water. I'm going to use a small pot, but you're more than welcome to use a tea kettle if that works best for you. And now by warming the water, I mean do not boil the water. Glass can crack under dramatic temperatures, so I would recommend to just boil the water for a few minutes until it bubbles something like this. Once the water is ready, pour it inside the candle. You'll start to notice that the wax rises to the top. It may need some assistance, so feel free to use any spoon, fork, or anything that you don't mind ruining and scratch at the bottom so the wax can rise to the surface. And let the candle cool down for 2 to 4 hours. After a few hours, my candle wax rose to the top and solidified at the rims of the cup. As you can see, the layer is very thin. My candle actually had very little wax at the bottom, so the thickness may vary depending on how much wax you have. So it's really important that you pour down the wax water down the drain. The reason for this is because 1, it's bad for your environment, 2, you'll have to call the plumber because it might clog or damage your pipes. My method of doing this is by pouring down the water down a paper towel. This will help filter it out before pouring it down the drain. And for best results, pour it down slowly, not as harshly like I did in the video. So a little backstory on why I shouldn't pour wax water down the drain is because when my sister was 5 years old, we were at a family party and my aunt had her candle turned on in the bathroom. She thought it'd be helpful if she poured on the wax down the drain. It ended up clogging my aunt's drain and it was a big mess. So do not put wax water down the drain, guys. So after repeating the process after a few times, my water is clear and you can either pour it down the drain or even better, give it to one of your plants. Everyone's candle will be different. My candle still had a little bit of wax residue on the sides, so I got a paper towel and cleaned it out the best I could. If you have more than that, you're more welcome to do the hot water process all over again. Now the last step is to soak your candle in warm water and soap. This will help remove any stickers and any tiny bits of wax residue that you weren't able to see or clean out. Now I'm using a sponge to clean out any sticker residue. I would recommend you throw the sponge away or use it for other things that are not related to washing or cleaning your dishes. And once it's squeaky clean, you can use it for anything you like in your household. Anything like your plants, cotton balls, paper notes, rubber bands, random objects like to collect, your favorite snack, anything your heart desires. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the alert buttons, and I hope to see you guys next time. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jazzybrew_ and say something nice to yourself today. Bye! Oh, that was scary. I just turned off the thing. I don't know what happened, but a second. I'm kidding, it's a joke. Please don't say that.